Okay, trade recap, October 15th, 2025. I have to be a little quiet because everybody's actually sleeping right now. I've been out all day, but I still have to make the trade recap. It's pretty late. It's not even October 15th anymore. Anyway, um, today we got another account funded, Alpha account, which is actually pretty nice. Uh, but let's just jump straight into this trade recap. So coming into the day, we had some Asia lows right here. We had some London lows, London lows, London lows, and then we had some high resistance. I think what were these previous day low highs? No, some far out highs. Yeah, no, these were previous day. Whatever, doesn't matter. Coming into the 5 minute, market opens, takes out this low, this Asia, or sorry, London low. Okay, from there, what are we doing? Looking for either a break of structure on the 5 minute or a really strong bullish bias, which I did have, looking at how price was looking for the day and how close we were to these highs right over here. Okay, I knew we definitely wanted to take out those highs. So coming in, did a bunch of consolidating. We took out this London low actually much earlier on into the session. I accidentally cleared everything from my chart, so I had to redo this real quick before recording this video. Okay, there you go. Market opens. We consolidated, manipulated a little bit right over here. And funny enough, this is actually a very valuable lesson for today's waiting for the macro, at least for me, because a lot of my friends, they actually got stopped out on longs right over here before it actually went in their direction. But since I waited for my macro time frame, all the manipulation was over. So what ended up happening was I actually caught the real move up. Coming down. Okay. Macro opens right over here. What do we get? Big leg down. Okay, we're in bearish order flow on the 5 minute. Up at this point, up till this point. We start moving up. I'm sitting patiently waiting for my setup to form. Okay, from there, what happens? What am I looking for? Either a 5 minute inversion or a 5 minute break of structure, which we get with this candle close right here, closing above the 0.786 extension on the Fibonacci retracement from the nearest high and low. Followed along with a 1 minute inversion fair value gap. Okay. From there, I entered the trade. Risk to reward today was not that great, but I only entered in with one contract, targeting these nearest Asia or whatever highs they were. I was actually more focused on passing the alpha account today, I will not lie, than anything else. So could I have taken a little bit more leverage on this trade? Yes. Could I have gotten a better risk to reward? Yes. Could I have moved to take profits a little higher? Maybe. Let's see. Well, I don't know to where, but I'm glad I had my take profits right there. There wasn't really much many areas to have multiple take profits here. So one contract on this account. Little quick 1 RR. I was very confident price is going to want to take out this high right here. enter the trade, stops, where my trade would be invalidated. So it's pretty much this 1 minute fair value gap. If we were to disrespect this 1 minute fair value gap, trade would be invalid. Another would have been, equilibrium, which actually, no, right here, since where I took the trade, which was right here. Okay, so let's say we wanted to come down, come into equilibrium of this move up for the 5 minute retrace. The stops were a little steep here, so I could have actually gotten stopped out if we were aiming for equilibrium, but that's alright. I was only in with one contract. On the alpha account, the risk reward was surprisingly negative, but I just wanted to pass it today. So terrible risk to reward. Stops were all the way down here, I believe. Yeah, it was something like this. I was just very confident this high was going to get taken, which it did. Without even a 5 minute retrace. So that's that. Not much to say today besides me passing another account and pretty much stuck to my trading rules, especially that macro time frame window. And today it showed me how important that is to not get manipulated out of positions. But besides that, great day. Oh, I got edged. Right, my take profits were right here, even for the alpha account. So it was close, something more like this for me to pass the alpha account. And I kept getting edged until, boom, we shot straight up. So that was very fun. I was honestly, at this point, at this level in my trading journey and career, I was less anxious that I wouldn't hit take profit, but rather I was kind of getting frustrated a little bit because it was edging me this hard. I knew it was gonna get hit. I knew take profit was gonna get hit. It was just, come on, really? What are these candles right before my take profit? So, anyways, that concludes trade recap for October 15th. I'll see you guys tomorrow.